Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will talk about signing in on YouTube without a Google account. Since YouTube is part of Google's services, there are some important things we should know about how accounts work. We will walk you through the options and explain what you can do. Now, let's get started. On YouTube, you cannot create an account or sign in without a Google account. This is because YouTube is directly tied to Google, as you can see here. If we go to the mini profile logo and click on Switch Account and then Add an Account, you will see that there is no other way to sign in. The only option available is to sign in with Google. When you click Create Account, you are still connected to Google. You can enter your first name and last name, but you will still need to verify the account through Google. So there is simply no way to use YouTube without a Google account. Now we know how YouTube sign-in works and what options are available if you do not want to use a Google account.